So coming to the next problem, that is problem number 4 in a dominance principle. Player A has 4 strategies and player B has 4 strategies. Now we shall start this with a row operation. So now we shall check the first row as well as second row. 3 and 2, so 3 is greater. 2 and 4, 4 is greater. So have a look, it is not possible to perform this. So leave this particular and compare 1 and 3. So with this 3 and 4, 4 is dominating. 2 and 2, it is equal, will consider. 4 and 4, it is equal, consider. 0 and 0, it is equal, consider. So have a look. All these 3 elements are equal, but since only one element is dominating, we will consider A3 dominates A1. That is A3 dominates A1, therefore eliminate A1. So after eliminate A1, we have A2, A3 and A4. So this column remains same, that is B1, 2, 3, 4. Now again you can perform a row operation comparing 2 and 3. So 2 and 4, this particular 4 is greater. 4 and 2, 4 is greater. So this is not possible. So leave this. So 2 and 3 can't be compared. Again comparing 2 and 4. So we have elements 2 and 0. 2 is dominating. 4 and 4. So it is equal. Let me consider this. 3 and 0. 3 is dominating. 4 and 8. 8 is dominating. So row wise it is not possible. So further we'll proceed with a column operation. So coming to the column operation, we shall compare first two column, that is B1 and B2. So 2 and 4, 4 is greater. 2 and 4. So with this 4 and 2, 4 is greater. So this is not possible to compare with first column and second column. Now compare the first column with the third column. 2 and 3. So 3 is greater. 4 and 4. So this is equal. We'll consider 0 and 0. So 0 equal. We'll consider this. Since only one element is dominating, we have considered this. So in this B3 dominates B1. Remember this point, when you perform column operation, dominating column itself is eliminated. Here B3 is dominating B1, therefore eliminate B3. So that is B3 dominates B1, eliminate B3. So I am eliminating this. So left with B1, B2 and B3, B4. So now you can perform again the row operation or else the column operation. So proceeding with the row operation, have a look, comparing these two, A2 and A3. 2 and 4, 4 is greater. 4 and 2, 4 is greater. So this is not possible to compare 2 and 3. So leave this. Compare 2 and 4. So coming to elements 2 and 0, 2 is greater. 4 and 4. So we'll consider this. Next 4 and 8, 8 is dominating. So row operation is not possible. So now we shall proceed with a column operation. So comparing the first column and the second column. So 2 and 4, 4 is greater. 4 and 2, 4 is greater. From this it is clear that you can't compare B1 and B2. Leave this. Compare the first column and the last column. 2 and 4, 4 is greater. 4 and 0, 4 is greater. So from this you can't compare the first column as well as the last column. Now we shall check the middle one, that is B2 and B4. Comparing this, we have 4 and 4, it is equal, fine. 2 and 0, 2 is greater. Next with this I can take this 4. Next 4 and 8, 8 is greater. From this it is clear that the performing row operation or else a column operation, we are not fetching any solution further. So since row operation as well as column operation is not possible done here, so what you can do is you can check the given problem whether it is, that is this particular solution can be a type 1 or something else. So you can't proceed with this with the type 2, because in the type 2 it should be 2 cross 2. In the type 3 it should be a 2 cross n or m cross 2. So we shall check this with a type 1, that is whether the saddle point exists or not. So first row the minimum is 2, second row the minimum is 0, and third row the minimum is 0. Coming to the column wise, the first column maximum is 4, second column maximum is 4 and 4 again, third column the maximum is 8. With this it is clear that it is not a type 1 also. When you stuck up with this problem like this, it is something very typical, wherein a row operation or else a column operation didn't affect the solution. So what you need to do is, further you should proceed with an average method. Remember, average method defines taking an average of 2 rows or a 2 column. Proceeding with average method of a row operation. So that is average method in row operation. What we need to do is, we need to take an average of first 2, that is A2 plus A3 divided by 2. So with this we shall proceed. So taking an average of these two elements, 2 plus 4 divided by 2 is equal to 3, and 4 plus 2 divided by 2 is again 3. 4 plus 0 divided by 2 is 2. So we have landed up with a new values. So that is A2 plus A3 average, I will call it as new, and take down this A4, and this column remains same. In the new row you write down whatever the value you get, 3, 3, 2, and this is 0, 4 and 8. Now we shall perform a row operation. Comparing these two, have a look. 3 and 0, 3 dominates. 3 and 4, 4 dominates. 2 and 8, 8 dominates. Have a look. Though we have taken a probability of taking a ratio or an average, we have not obtained a suitable solution, because this particular row operation is not suitable. So now we shall check this combination 3 and 4, that is 3 plus 4 divided by 2. So taking elements, 4 plus 0 by 2 is 2. Next, 2 plus 4 divided by 2 is 3. Next, 0 plus 8 divided by 2 is 4. So that is, I have called this A3 plus A4 as new, and I have retained A2. So whatever the A2 value, just write down 2, 4, 4. Next, the new values 2, 3 and 4. Now we shall proceed with the row operation. Comparing these two, 2 and 2, 2 is equal, 4 and 3, 4 is greater, 4 and 4, this is greater. One thing you need to keep in mind here, when you compare this particular, at any cost, this new matrix should not be eliminated. So the new should be retained, because it is an average of 2 rows or a column. Now comparison with this is dominating. Actually speaking, this supposed to be eliminated. It is a rule that a new column should not be eliminated. Further row operation is not possible. We shall proceed with taking an average method in column operation. So coming to average method in column operation, so we can take the first 2 columns, that is B1 plus B2 divided by 2. So considering the element 2 plus 4 divided by 2 is 3. Next, 4 plus 2 divided by 2 is 3. 0 plus 4 divided by 2 is 2. So now we shall take this elements. So that is B1 plus B2, I have taken 2 new here. So copy down this value, 3, 3, 2. For B4 you have a value here, 4, 0 and 8. Now we shall perform a column operation comparing these two. 3 and 4, 4 is dominating. 3 and 0, 3 is dominating. So again, column operation is not possible with this. We shall try a combination between 1 and 4. So proceeding further, b plus 4 divided, b1 plus b4 divided by 2. So we can take this way, b1 plus b4. So that is 2 plus 4 divided by 2 is 3. 4 plus 0 divided by 2 is 2. 0 plus 8 divided by 2 is 4. So that is b1 plus b4 by 2 I have considered as new. Coming to this, you copy down whatever the b2 value, 4, 2, 4, and new value is here, 3, 2, 4. Now performing a column operation, 4 and 3, 4 dominates, 2 and 2 it is equal, so I will consider this, 4 and 4 this is equal, so again I will consider this. So have a look. So only one element is greater here or dominating, so I have considered this equal towards this side, dominating. From this it is clear that, have a look, in the column operation, dominating column itself is eliminated. So this particular column can be eliminated because it is not new, which is a combination of two columns. So if I eliminate this particular, we have left with this particular. So that is B2 dominates B new, eliminate B2. So eliminating B2, we have landed up with B new. So B new is a combination of B1 plus B4. So writing this separately. So B1 and B4 to be taken. So whatever the value here. So for A, 2, 3 and B1 and B4 copy down here. B1 is 240, 240. B4 is 408. 408. Further, with this you can also perform a row operation or else a column operation. We'll check here. Performing a row operation. So we shall compare 2 and 4. 4 is dominating. 4 and 0. 4 is dominating. Have a look. This is not possible. Next, comparing 2 and 3. 2 and 4. So 2 and 0. 2 is dominating. 4 and 8, 8 is dominating. So this is also not possible. Now we shall compare A3 and A4. 4 and 0, 4 is dominating. 0 and 8, 8 is dominating. From this it is clear that the row operations can't be performed. Proceeding further to the column operation. So we shall compare the first column and the fourth one. So 2 and 4, 4 is dominating. 4 and 0, 4 is dominating. So have a look, even column operation is also not possible. Since row operation and column operation is not possible here, we can proceed this problem with a graphical method, that is M cross 2. So for this M cross 2 matrix, we have upper boundary and a lower point. So proceed this with a graphical method, which is a type 3 case B, which is available in the previous videos. Compare with that and solve this. Finally, you calculate what is the value of a game and a best strategy for player A and best strategy for player B. This completes your problem.